down here in the well vault today to share with you how we got here, how we got this done, the dig, the installation, and to its final product where we control all of our water systems for both houses and some irrigation. So let's get started. Behind me is all the electronics that run our pump for the well, as well as the pump that sends the water up to the two houses and supports our irrigation systems. It is exciting to have this. The two cisterns that we're going to put in with this well house support our ability to manage both homes as well as irrigation. We couldn't have done it without it. Frankly, during the later parts of the summer, we get down to 1 to 2 gallons of well production. Now that well production is all day long, of course, on an average. If we can get there, we can store the water in 2 cisterns, 3,000 gallons apiece, that will support both homes, and we'll never have a situation where both homes are maybe pulling on each other or the irrigation's turned on, and therefore, so we can take a hit of 3,000 to 4,000 gallons all at once and let the overnight replenish the well. So that's the plan today, so let's get started. Take a look at the dig as it was completed. I'm currently walking down the channel that was dug out for the drainage pipe. The well vault will have a drainage pipe that will extend down. Of course, I'll show you that here momentarily. But as you look into the hole, it's quite the large dig. We dug down about 12 feet so that we could put 2 feet worth of dirt above the cisterns. There I go, walking down the drainage cut that was done. It was extended out. Fortunately, our property sits on a slope, so we were able to daylight pretty easily. These are the drainage pipes that were actually going to be installed by me. I was putting them together, as you can see here to the right, as we get them all put together and set up for connection to the well vault.
Let's take a look at the plumbing. Between the two guys are 3 2-inch connections. The two to the left are going to connect to the other cistern to the south. The one in the middle will be connected to the well as it generates the water, pumps it into the cistern. The one behind the plumber's knee is the connecting to the well vault. From the well vault, it will connect into the pressure tanks and the electronics that will control all the systems. Dirt slopes to the right, you'll see 3 outlets, 2 that are connected and 1 to the left. The one to the left is for the irrigation systems from the property to the south. The one in the middle is for my house, and the one all the way to the right is for my parents' house. Let's step back in to close out.